spring of 2012, we got approval for using the Greek campus, Greek quad site, which we're at now. Then in the summer of 2012 is when we really started doing the install. We started building out all of the beds that we have in place now, and then started doing further planning, getting budgeting for the hoop house that we have now, and then as part of the process getting a separate student group organized called UfarmIIT. And now that we're starting our second year, has been a huge success. We've got it all built out, we're ready, we're getting all the seeds and plants in, so we're ready for community garden participants. We've got 10 students and faculty and staff signed up to participate in the garden beyond the IPRO, beyond the students who volunteered for it. And hopefully that'll expand dramatically this season.
IPRO314 is led by Roger Cooley and Erica Allen, who is the Chicago National Director of Growing Power. The students were split into teams of construction and design. The design team, led by IIT architecture professor Betsy Williams, took on projects designing a shed structure for the garden, a mobile farm stand, as well as opportunities for community outreach and events. The construction team dealt with the built work, which includes doors for the hoop house, repairing planning boxes, and coordinating with first-year architecture students on fence design and construction. And as a whole, the IPRO devoted individual time towards garden maintenance, which involved tasks such as planting, seeding, and watering.
So Growing Power is a nonprofit organization with a lot of experience in urban farming, and they have been really helpful with us. We also received compost and wood chips that were provided by Growing Power, and we're using those to build our garden and build more planting beds so that we can grow additional vegetables and produce in our garden. We had help understanding the steps of urban mushroom cultivation with step-by-step process through mason jars and everything, from the culture to actually getting the mushrooms. Another aspect of our urban farming has been the bee harvesting. We are in the process of getting an urban beehive on campus so that we can have bees living on campus that can pollinate our garden and pollinate flowers, and just promote a healthy environment.
If you can solve the food, having a viable, sustainable food system that can sustain itself economically and with all its inputs, then you can also address other social challenges, issues, and economies. I've really found it very encouraging and also challenging to help to instill those practices. And I think metaphorically, it's a lot of the work that we do